Prosperity through knowledge. St. Lawrence Indian School CBSE Kinnigoli, Mangalore implanted itself 20 years back, spreading knowledge to all sections of the community with humane touch. Dedicated, qualified, considerate, experienced faculty, extracurricular activities for the total development of the students, residential stay for all the students with all modern facilities, indoor and outdoor games, spacious modern science and maths lab, multimedia training, full-fledged library, activity-based classes, reasonable fees, modern computer lab, healthy, hygienic and green campus, free extra tuitions after class, special offer for residential school students only, robotic programming and web designing course worth ₹1 lakh offered free of cost, special care and attention to each child from dedicated staff in a friendly environment. For more information, contact 9945564949 or 7411006949.